So I'm here in what we call the Maker portal. So the good thing when you're working with the Power Platform is you get these really nice new, job titles or teams that you're working with. I'm a maker, I'm working in a Fusion team, I'm a Fusion developer, all these really nice terms. So that's one reason to get involved with this. So the Maker portal is where we would generally kick things off. And we can very quickly and easily build an application from any existing data source that we're working with, and even from, shock horror from an Excel document that we may have. So really, I guess there's no excuse not for us to not use these technologies because it supports Excel. That makes sense, doesn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in an Excel document, specifically this document over here. So I'm using this document to basically manage some different estimates that I've got for different flooring products in the organization. I'm going to turn this view on here into a fully working app that connects to the spreadsheet and updates it in real time based on changes. Sounds like a bold claim. Well, let's just actually see what we can do in no short time at all. So I just select the existing Excel option down there. In this case, the Excel document is stored within my OneDrive. And all I need to do is just select the actual document and the table in there, click on the connect button. What it's actually doing now, it's going off and reading the underlying data source, and it's going to build me out a fully working application within a matter of seconds. And it's pretty intelligent because what it's been able to do is go in and actually, map out all the appropriate attributes down here. It's been able to see that, okay, I've got links in the file to different sort of images that I want to work with. And what we now have here is a fully working application that allows me to see all of my carpets over here. And if I was to hit the play button at the top, I can go into each of these and actually see, okay, there's some details down there for each of those. I can maybe just do some modifications. So maybe just I want to maybe update the pricing on this one. So obviously carpet prices are not cheap these days, so maybe we want to increase that just by a little bit more. I've locked the file, so that's probably why on that one. So this is one of the things you need to be aware of with it. So I'll just exit out of that for now. Rookie mistake, unfortunately. But yeah, effectively, we can work with the data in the app. As we update the data in here, it's then going to go off and automatically update our data source. And if we wanted to at this point, I can very quickly and easily go in and make some modifications to the app. So we tend to talk of this being like a bit of a PowerPoint presentation in that you can just click on anything over here and just very quick and easy, maybe just modify a title at the top up there. Maybe I've decided, okay, I don't really like this blue color at the top up here for my sort of quick action bar. I can just go in and maybe just modify the color, maybe change it to a red up there like so. And just continue to do these amends, modify the application and get it really looking how I want it to be. So this is quick and easy. So in less than 5 minutes, we've got an application which does work.